You have Coach Jack Santiago, John Abate, and Wello Lingo. Coach Jack, congratulations for this victory. You had to grind this out. So what are your thoughts of your team's performance tonight?
Well, I'm so happy again that the boys responded very well. Actually, we had a bad practice yesterday, but I'm glad that all the players, especially coming off the bench, step up. And yung game plan namin down the stretch, nasunod.
Thank you. To John, you had 15.6 rebounds. So, yun nga, coach said it was a struggle, but you were able to pull this out. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, NU is really good on defense. They're very aggressive, and I knew at the end of the day we just had to stick to the system. And I kind of got away from that in the second quarter, third quarter. I made mistakes, and I eventually got back on track. And we just have to learn from it and get better and execute and better ourselves in practice.
Thank you. To Wello, you had 8 points, 5 rebounds, and plus 6. So, ano yung masasabi mo? May mga key baskets ka itong fourth quarter. Ano masasabi mo?
Feels good kasi sa una pa lang hindi na-shoot yung mga tira ko kasi nga mahigpit yung depensa nila sa akin. So, I'm great lang na na-shoot ko yung last shot na yun sa crucial part.
Okay, thank you. The floor is open for questions. Anyone?
Coach, 3 straight wins and 2 coming from Final Four teams last year. Would you say that nakikita mo na yung consistency na gusto mong makita from your boys this middle of the season?
Yeah, of course, number one, nakikita ko na yung because I consider my boys are still young pa rin. Marami pa rin ako mga batang players. But I'm so happy that the boys are starting to have that character, yung winning character. And yun yung fear ko talaga na coming up a big win against the number 1 team. Ang kinakabahan talaga ako dun sa next game namin na baka maging complacent yung mga bata. And again, sabi ko nga, coming to this game, I would say we had a bad practice going to facing NU. So I'm happy lang that down the stretch we step up and we play as a team.
Well, nasabi mo nga na medyo tight yung defense sa'yo nung una, hindi mo na-make yung shots mo. Pero saan na lang nanggaling yung mindset and confidence mo to take those shots late in the ball game?
Bigla na lang nag-sink in sa utak ko. Like, I need to make that shot because it's really a important game to us. Kaya, yun lang yung mindset ko if open tira talaga.
John, for you, of course, a big win against the defending champions. How did you refocus yourself to not be complacent against a team like NU in your next game?
Just keep going hard in practice. Keep fine-tuning the things that we need to do. For me, it's been turnovers for the last couple games, and I really need to work on that. For a team aspect, just keep making shots, keep executing on the plays, and just keep being a family at the same time.
For John and Wello, this game again was decided on free throws. Yeah, very very close game. But both of you made some clutch free throws again. So, what goes in your mind whenever you step up to the plate, to try to get those key shots?
Go ahead, Wello.
Sa ganon, tiniting ko lang yung family ko kasi matagal na akong nalayo sa kanila. So every time na titira ko yung ganon, parang iniisip ko na lang na kailangan ko i-made yung basket kasi para sa pamilya ang dahilan kung ba't ako pumunta dito.
I would say I just need to keep my composure. I went 0 for 1 from the line, so I need to do better on that. But my answer is the same from the last couple times you all asked me. Just focus on my fundamentals and finish the play.
Coach, ikaw lang din. Ano yung thoughts nyo about, yung composure na pinapakita ng boys mo whenever, sa dulo, kailangan mag-make ng free throws?
Yeah, actually, during practice namin, talagang we spend like 30 minutes shooting free throws. Talagang nagkakaroon kami ng contest, like 10 straight before you finish the practice. And going back dun sa question kanina na this is our 3rd straight wins, no? Just to give you a background lang, the last time that UE won the 3 straight games was during the year 2014. So technically, it's a decade already. And during the time, nung nanalo, 3 consecutive wins ang UE, they entered the Final Four. So, dun sa question mo sa akin kanina, so hopefully, itong nakuha naming 3 wins na to will bring us to the Final Four. But of course, we cannot afford to relax, especially that we're gonna face Ateneo. They're very strong team. Actually, natalo kami during the Taiwan. And then, of course, our last game will be Adamson. Nakita naman natin yung laro nila, how they play earlier. So, we cannot afford to relax talaga. Yeah.
Additional lang for the players. Big UE crowd tonight. They showed a lot of support for you guys. Just your thoughts on, having that kind of support, early on the season. No?
I just say I appreciate the love. I mean, there's times where in the community that I've had to where people are not really that supportive. Empty bleachers. Just have the coaches or refs, for the next game. So it really means a lot, in my heart that we have a supportive community.
Well,
I can't answer. My mental block. Sorry.
so, for sure, it will bring a lot of help sa team. Yesterday, or 2 days ago, talagang I was surprised because I'm asking for an extra ticket but sold out na lahat. So hopefully maybe just give me this opportunity also to thank the UE community for coming here. Alam namin na it's Saturday, supposed to be a family day, but nandito sila, spend time with us, and thank you for the support.
Coach, even with the 3-game win streak, meron po bang something specific that you think that the team still needs to overcome?
Yeah, ang dami pa namin kulang, no? Meron kaming mga lapses down the stretch. We need some stops na kailangan. So we need to improve that aspect, and also we just need to have really a teamwork talaga. Gusto namin kahit na the team is not doing well, nandun pa rin yung system namin, yung teamwork pa rin.
So coach, yung nangyari po kay Maga and kay Spandoni, so need po bang mabahala ng mga ng UE community sa nangyari po sa kanila ngayon?
Yeah, actually that's the reason why I mentioned that we had a bad practice, no? Meron kaming incident that one of my players parang namimiss niya yung family niya, so talagang hindi siya nakafocus maglaro. So nung practice na yon talagang hindi namin siya napakinabangan during that time. And yesterday si Maga got injured, na-sprain siya kahapon, so dinala namin siya sa hospital kaagad and to check if there's a fracture, and we're glad that wala naman fracture. So if you notice, hindi siya nag-start, and then nabago yung rotation namin. We put Spandonis, but unfortunately na-sprain din siya. But itong bata, he has a big heart. Nilapitan niya ako and told me that, Coach, I want to play. So he made a big basket, a crucial basket. So very thankful din ako dun sa bata.
Congratulations, Coach Jack,
Thank you.
Wello, and John.
Thank you.